Hey guys, Lawrence here. I'm going to talk to you today about the time Tesla denied me. You see, I applied for the Tesla solar subscription for this house that you see in the diagram, and unfortunately the house didn't qualify for the rental subscription program. And today I'm going to discuss with you why, and I hope it'll give you some insight into what criteria Tesla uses to see if a house qualifies for their Tesla rental solar subscription. So basically, we put our deposit for a small system, and Tesla contacted us within a couple of days, and they had a guy come out and climb up on our roof and walk around the house with a 360-degree camera. And part of our roof is flat, and we told them that we wanted to have the system installed on the flat part so it wouldn't be visible from the street for aesthetic reasons. Anyways, the house does have some issues with shading. There's some big trees in the front, and there's actually a really big hill in the back. And so they came back to us with the initial design, and they said that, so I'm having my engineers redesign the layout because the current design is using your flat roof only, and if we leave it there, it won't meet the efficiency requirement. So we were okay with that. I mean, the preference was to have it on the flat part, but it would be fine if it's on the slanted part. And so what we're looking at here is the second design they sent us. And the solar panels, there's 12 of them, and this is on the slanted part of the roof of this house. And you can see the details to the left. It's 12 panels. The system size is 3.78 kilowatts, and estimated annual production is 4,360 kilowatt hours. On the subsequent pages, it just shows the rapid shutdown device, what inverter they would be using. Yeah, if you look, it's a Solar City inverter. And then what panels. So anyways, why they said that it doesn't qualify is based on the output. So basically, you can see here, Tesla says that it has to be 1,300 kilowatt hours per each kilowatt of system size. So what that means is it needs to be 1,300 kilowatt hours and this small system size is 3.78 kilowatts. So it needs to generate 4,914 kilowatt hours per year. And as you can see here, we're about 600 kilowatts short, 600 kilowatt hours short, or about 50 kilowatt hours a month. The interesting thing is, even at this lower estimated annual production, with the rates that we currently pay at this house for electricity, we were still estimated to save about $240 a year. And I explained this to Tesla, but they said that it still didn't qualify. And I also even said, like, hey, how about we use DC optimizers, or if there's an option to use microinverters, because those tend to work better when there are shading issues. And they said that that wasn't an option either. So anyways, we were pretty bummed that we couldn't get it here, but we ended up getting it on some other houses, the solar subscription, that is, on some other houses, and we're totally loving it. And if you want to find out more about that, I'll put a link in the description to a video I made about our experience with some of these other houses that we did have the Tesla solar rental subscription installed on. So anyways, guys, I hope you found some good, valuable, and useful information from this video. And if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button. And also subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for a lot of great content coming your way about Tesla and a whole lot of other stuff that I do videos on. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.